All right, welcome to my new home, everyone. Well, the garage. This is going to be my gym and my studio and my office, which I'm super excited for, because with the help of AI, this is what it's going to look like. But you can see it doesn't look like that now. So I've getting ready for a big day. I've moved everything into the middle of the room. I'm going to have to take down all these shelves. It's hard to think where I'm going to start. All right, so I'm going to take down all the shelves. I'm going to clean all the walls, and I'm going to put then I've got to line the top with the masking tape so I don't paint that. And I'm going to paint the walls, and then I'm going to lay the floor. And I've got two exciting arrivals coming today. So the gym flooring is coming today. So you can see in this picture again, that's what the floor is going to look like. And with the nice white walls, it's going to look really good. And the NBN technician is arriving any minute now to install my fiber to the premise internet. So it looks like the NBN technicians can install the fiber box just there, which I'm super excited about because you're limited with where you can install it at your house. And I really wanted it in my office. So that's super cool.
So you just squiggle in the screw.
Yeah.
And then just one down in the box there, notes. Beautiful.
All done?
Thanks, Rob.
Thank you, brother.
Have a good day,
Have a great day. All right, check this out. This is my gym flooring. So I've got 45 rubber tiles. I'm very excited about this because if you've been watching any of my old videos, so I got the NBN, the fiber internet getting installed in there. But if you watched any of my old videos, you would have seen how crap my gym area was. It wasn't even flat. It was like on a hill. I couldn't have a squat rack or anything. So I'm really excited to get this set up. That's the NBN technicians installing my fiber internet. So you guys might not know this, but Yanni is the handyman of Unity Gym. So everything that you see in our old gym, the incredible layout, the walls, the way it looked, that was all Yanni's creative genius. And because he used to be a mechanic, he had an incredible set of tools at Unity Gym, and I've pretty much got nothing. So I've had to start investing in tools now for my home studio. And I started with this trusty knife so that I can get to my flooring, and I'm going to have to, some of these are going to have to be cut to custom sizes. So let's have a look. This is exciting because I haven't had a good floor to train on in a very, very long time. And let's see what these guys have got for me. Right, I got 42 of these. And when I, oh, that's good. I thought that was the color of it. I was like, I didn't order rainbow. But no, I ordered black, and that's what it's going to look like. And they're great. These are the, I got the higher quality ones that are made of a better quality rubber that don't have a terrible odor, because these things can have a really bad odor. Man, I'm excited to set this up. You will, mate. You're going to be YouTube famous after this. These things aren't light. They're like 12 kilograms each. And they're awkward. All right, this is a huge moment for me. The fiber to the premise internet has been installed, and I'm now plugging in my mesh Wi-Fi system. And if all goes well, this is just going to work straight away. It'll take a few minutes, of course, to boot up. What I'm waiting for is that little yellow light to turn green. I keep hearing those old modem connection sounds play out in my head. If you're old enough, you'll remember it, that. Trying to shake hands or do whatever it does. Yes! Come on! All right, now, in theory, I should be able to connect to the same Wi-Fi network that I was on in my old house, and I have. It's worked. Let's do a speed test and see what we're getting over Wi-Fi, over Wi-Fi. No, I don't want to install an update to my phone. Where's my speed test app? There it is. All right, come on, let's have a look. Come on, baby. Oh my God, look at that. Hundreds of megabits per second. Oh, oh, that's so cool. Man, I've been running our online business, managing all our content and everything with broadband. Oh my God, this is going to be game changing. You guys have no idea how hard it's been managing our content and doing our coaching with broadband. When we were at Unity Gym, we had fiber to the premise, but it was 100 up, 100 down. So 100 megabits per second download speed and 100 megabits upload speed. This is 1,000 down and 90 up. And that's on Wi-Fi. So I've got 770 down and 91 up on Wi-Fi. So when I connect my computer directly to the router, in theory, I should get the full speed of 100 down and 91 up. But in all honesty, the download speed isn't that important to me. It's the upload speed that matters, because I'm not downloading a lot for our online business. I'm uploading a lot. So that is so cool. I'm so excited. All right. So the best part about moving these 42 times 12 kilogram rubber flooring tiles, so 12 kilograms, that'd be about, let's say 50 pounds each. Best part about moving these is that I moved them into a spot where I couldn't shut my doors. So once I got them all there, that's when I realized that, and then had to remove them here. How good is that? But now they're done, and they're so cool. They're really nice. Really good quality, solid black. Can't wait to get the floor set up. This is my step ladder. I never knew my real ladder. Right. This is going to be fun doing this by myself. Yeah, that's just fucked. Well, that's just fucked. Voila. The first shelf is away. This is starting to feel like the start of a fail video. There's something happening here. Yes. Oh, wunderbar, as my German father would say. Wunderbar. So far, I'd have to say I think this renovation is going incredibly well. What do you think, Rad? Rad, I'd have to agree with you. The precision, timing, and execution has just been spot on thus far. Thanks, Rad. That's just the kind of encouragement I needed. But I'd have to say, with my extensive level of inexperience renovating, I wouldn't expect anything less from myself. All right, day 3 of renovations. I thought I was going to get this video up on Monday, but so much to do. So I've cleaned the whole place out, got all the shelves off the walls, taped up around the roof, getting ready for painting, cleaned the garage doors, vacuumed around the edge. I can't vacuum here. And so I'm ready for painting today, but I am now at a point where I need to be able to do some work. I haven't been able to meet my work obligations now for 5 days. So I need to set up a makeshift office. No, there was one button I didn't press.